Today I'll teach you how you guys can delete your search history on Instagram. So first thing, you want to click on the search icon at the bottom and it's going to take you to Instagram's search page. Over here at the top you can see the search bar. Once you click on the search bar at the bottom, you can see this blue option called See All. Click on See All and it's going to show you all of your search history. Now if you want to delete an individual one, right beside the search there's an X button. Click on it and only that search is going to be deleted. But since I only have 3 search history, I could just click on 3 of them. But if you have thousands of search history, then at the top you can see the clear all button. Click on it and click on clear all. Once you do that, all of your search history will be cleared. Now before you do this thing, I'm going to ask you guys, are you sure you want to do this? Because if you clear all of your search history on Instagram, nothing could be recovered. So all my search history which I just cleared, I can never recover it again. So before you clear all your search history, make sure you have backed up the important search history you want for the future, and then only do the steps which I showed you, because there is no way to recover them again. So keep that in mind. I hope you understand how to delete your search history on Instagram. Hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.